Hey, welcome back to my page. This is Lily. Thank you for joining me. I have a song. I would like to sing it to you. And that's about an island where I'm from. Okay, thank you. If you ever have an ocean that you like to see the island, just take a steamer. A steamer is a ship that used to travel to Niue once a month to Niue land. In Niue Island, where the girls can do the hula, and the girls are only wearing leaves and the frangipanis, the flowers, the ciales, nothing else, with native costumes and pretty lace. When the ukulele's playing much better than mine, start swinging and swaying, far away to Niue Island on a moonlight night. Okay, a moonlight night in Niue right now, it has been voted as one of the darkest sky in the world. If you ever have an ocean, I'll sing the song again, this time with no interruptions. If you ever have an ocean that you like to see the island, just take a steamer to Niue land. In Niue Island, where the girls can do the hula in native costumes and pretty lace. When the ukulele's playing, start swinging and swaying, far away to Niue Island on a moonlight night, far away to Niue Island on a moonlight night. Anyway, that wasn't the best on playing my ukulele. I'm still learning, so I hope you got the song anyway. Niue Island is a beautiful place to go for a holiday.